Keep your Philips DreamWear Silicone Pillows mask clean by washing it regularly. You should also wash it before you wear it for the first time. Take your mask apart by gently pulling the headgear arms out of the mask frame loop. Unwrap and remove the fabric sleeves. Pull the tubing quick release from the elbow and the elbow from the top of the mask frame. Gently separate the silicone cushion from the frame. Hand wash your mask parts, the tubing quick release, elbow, frame and cushion with mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Fully submerge the parts in warm, soapy water in order to eliminate any air pockets. Rinse the parts thoroughly under running water. And let them air dry completely. Once a week, you can also place the tubing quick release, elbow, frame, and cushion on the top shelf of a dishwasher for cleaning. Choose a mild detergent and use the air dry cycle. The headgear and the fabric sleeves cannot go into the dishwasher. They should be hand-washed weekly using mild liquid dishwashing detergent. After rinsing the parts, spread them out flat or hang them on a line to dry. Never place any mask parts in a clothes dryer. Make sure your mask and headgear are completely dry before you reassemble them. This is a good time to check your mask for cracking or tears and replace any worn or damaged parts. For complete assembly instructions, refer to the sizing and assembly video.